Janine, lalong hinangaan sa pagiging kalmado sa pagsupla sa basher. Hinangaan ng mga netizen ang pagiging chill ni Janine Gutierrez sa basher. Kalmado lang kasi niyang sinagot ang pandidikdik sa kanya nito sa pagsasabing sobrang edited daw at photoshop ang mga calendar photo niya na ibinahagi sa kanyang Instagram post. Matatandaang ipinakilala si Janine ng isang liquor brand bilang kanilang calendar girl sa taong 2025. Grabe, pagkaka-edit Napakanipis niya sa mga photo niya. Pero nung launching ang taba niya po, grabe ang Photoshop. Hanas ng basher. Sa kanyang reply, ni-reveal ni Janine na noong October ginawa ang kanyang calendar shoot at nitong December naman, inilunsad. I can see how this can be confusing. We shot the calendar in October and the launch was in December. Say ng actress. Dagdag pa niya, pagkatapos ng shoot ay nag-time out muna siya sa strict diet and workout. In those 2 months, I went to Japan for the film festival, attended Thanksgiving parties for our show, and really took a break from strict diet and workout. I always take it easy during the holidays and enjoy my body in its different shapes. You should too. Grabe na talaga mga bashers na ito at sobrang judgmental. Natural, mga artista yan at need nilang mag-diet kapag may mga photoshoot na paseksihan. Isa pa kahit anong figura na meron si Janine, super ganda at so sexy pa rin. Di kagaya ng iba. Samantala kung may basher at bitter, abay mas marami naman ang naniniwala sa angking ganda at alindog ni Janine sa pagiging Diyosa. Narito ang papuri ng mga fanay. Miss Janine, karapat-dapat na maging calendar girl. Pinataob mo ang ibang calendar girls, sina Kim at Julian San Jose. Good job, Team Janine. More projects 2025 to your team. God bless you all. Yan ang tunay na ganda. Walang retoke. Not a fan of calendar girls, but this one has a flair of class. And I love it. Great. Choice Asia Brewery Incorporated. Janine Gutierrez. Hello Janine, bagay po sa inyong gumawa ng Barbie movie. At saka, sumali po kayo sa Miss Universe. Ang ganda nyo po, promise. Julian San Jose left the calendar. I love Janine. Long-legged and brains. Aba, baka sunod sa beauty queen to. Same as Rufa. Perfect. Beauty from head to foot. Walang tapon. True beauty and elegance. Hindi masagwa. The best calendar girl. Pang Miss Universe ang peg. You really look like Mamita Pilita, but you are beautiful in your own way. Keep shining. Stay humble. I love Janine because she is an educated, intelligent, and kind woman. She has a unique combination of brains and beauty, making her a true beauty queen in my eyes. Her intelligence and kindness are what make her truly attractive. Professional. More blessings. Mabait kaya umaapaw ang biyaya. Very classy, demure, refined personality and beauty niya with foreign looks. As came from a decent family, international beauty. She's absolutely beautiful, gorgeous actress, beauty. Runs in the family, super wow. Total package ka talaga Janine, you're so lucky, congrats, beautiful Janine. O di ba pak na pak ang naging kasagutan ni Janine sa hater niya na pasimpleng nasupalpal. Huwag kasing maging judgmental sa kapwa at minsan tumingin din sa itsura dahil baka wala ka pa sa kalingkingan ng ganda at alindog ng nag-iisang Janine Gutierrez. Gets nyo ba? Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, comment down below.